I'll guide you through how to use Obsidian Notes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open obsidian.md in your browser. Download the Obsidian application and complete all the setup steps to install it on your computer. When the installation is finished, launch the Obsidian app. You will be directed to the home page, where you can begin setting up your notes. To create your first note, click the New Note button located at the top left corner of the interface. A blank note will open in the main editing area. Start typing to write down anything you want, such as ideas, reminders, or information, and the note will automatically be saved as you write. Next, you can organize your notes by adding a folder. To do this, click the New Folder button beside the New Note button. A folder will appear on the left side panel. Right-click on the newly created folder, select the Rename option from the menu, and enter your preferred folder name. Finally, drag your current note into this folder to move and organize it properly.